Good morning! Good morning! Magandang morning. Thank you po. Thank you for supporting my channel. To those who watch my premiere today, maraming salamat. Dan TV Vlog, Angling Fe Vlog, Miss Kayak, Joe Agapitos, thank you. Okay, Miss Kayak, thank you very much. Bless Mac, maraming salamat, Bless Mac. And I think Katabang, ayan. Just a second. Ayan, thank you po. Maraming salamat, Katabang Dave. Budot's Queen, ayan, maraming salamat sa pag-watch ng aking premiere on my absence. Okay. To my members, maraming salamat. Angling Fe Vlog, Dan TV Vlog, Joe Agapitos, Bless Mac, Budot's Queen. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa panonood ng aking video. Mabuhay po kayo. God bless us all. Oh, wow! There's a white chocolate hills. Ayan guys, meron tayo ditong chocolate hills. It's white. See that? Oh, ayan o. Ang aming chocolate hills dito. Ang taas na ng snow. Ayan o. Grabe. Oh. Chocolate hills. Ayan no. Kahit mainit siya, maaraw, still napakalamig niyan. -41. Ayun yung aking neighbor nagki-cleaning. See, I'm lucky. I don't have to do that. I have a son doing that for me. That's why I'm so lucky. Ayan, thank you for watching and support to my video and my channel. Thank you very much mga members and friends in YouTube. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Like, share, and subscribe.